I hear it. And to a complete stop.
Yeah, right. Should I be on my phone?
Actually, the snow, the rain is not as bad as it used to.
Yeah, it's still not feeling this go over.
What is this, Bank 1? We're still in the pits, right? Yeah, we're not even on a track.
Yeah,
This is coming out of the pits. Look at that sound. Hell yeah. Nice. It's actually smooth on the road, isn't it? Look at they're spacing it out. Good job, guys. You make the best out of this thing. Look at him. Look at. And they're all. Oh, that's a turn. Yeah, we don't know this track too well, so. 600, 500, 4. Oh, it's just like in the game.
Yeah. Oh, you need a landmark.
Yeah. Oh, is this like the S?
Oh, yeah, it's the S's.
Find your apex. Go straight. Skip it. Fuck it.
Gotta keep it in high gear.
Look at it. The Subies are like, oh yeah. Yeah, they're slowing down now.
It's a nice track.
It's smooth though. You'd never tell. Slow, slow.
Yeah, right.
Got up to 7. Oh shit, they're slowing down up there.
Oh, I gotta slow down there around the pits.